Alright, today I'm making ticket fishing. We'll use the old standby here, the double French blade spinner. Yeah, it's the first time I've been able to fish my home flow, the Scioto. Stephanie's going to be fishing a little bit too, so we'll see if she catches anything. But let's see what happens. It's a rock bass. It'll just come right off. It'll come right off. Yeah. Yeah. We got a big mouth. Whatever that was huge. I don't know if it was a muskie down there or a big carp, but it was huge. That's something. Looks like a smallmouth. Oh! Oh well. Oh. Oh, there was a fish on there. So yeah, Alum Creek, known for its sockeye, muskie, smallmouth, and apparently green sunfish. The fearsome green sunfish. Pretty little guy though. No! I've got something on there. Oh, now that's a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, please tell me I'm filming it because this is a beautiful pumpkin seed. Yeah. Oh. He's just a little guy, but man, that's beautiful. Alright, so you probably noticed I didn't spend the whole time at the Scioto. In fact, I didn't spend much time at the Scioto. The current is running pretty good, and Stephanie wasn't really feeling it, so we came home. Then I went out to Alum Creek, the riprap at where US 36 crosses Alum Creek. Never been there before, and it just kind of went on a whim. Talked to a friend, he said, yeah, try it. And I caught the 2 sunfish, the pumpkin seed, lost a couple smallies. Definitely going back there. Had a lot of fun. But again, that was using one of my favorite baits, the double-bladed inline spinner. If you like videos like this, especially when I'm catching a few fish, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. This is episode 10, and I got 20 more to go for June. I'll be honest with you, it's going to be hard to come up with 20 more lures, but I'll do it. I'll figure something out. So, in the meantime, tight lines.